Hi guys, welcome to my first ever video. My name is Kristen and this is Tucker. He'll probably be chilling in the background the whole time, but yeah. To get to the point of the video, I went on a very extremely large Pretty Little Thing shopping spree. But I will tell you that I got everything 50% off and I got such a good deal, like I'm still shook right now. And 2 pairs of shoes. So, I don't know where to start. I haven't opened these yet. I have been waiting 2 days just for this video so I can open it for you. So let's get into it. Okay. This is the first item. And I'll link everything below and like the prices and everything like that. I just don't have it with me right now. Okay, so these are just some classic black joggers, like pushed ends and a tie. It's got pockets too. I love that. And this is, I believe a size small, but on here it says 6, so not too sure. I know it comes up to my waist, so I wanted to get them smaller so it's more fitting and not as baggy. Because no one wants some baggy sweatpants. I want to be able to public something cute, like maybe a crop top or something. Okay. Next item. I'm really excited about this one, y'all. Like, it is a jean jacket. So this one does look kind of big, though. This is a small. But it has the frayed edges. Let's see. I'm gonna unbutton them. So this is it open. This is the back where you can see it's kind of open and frayed a little bit. I'm gonna put it on. Cool, I'm struggling. Okay. Dang, this is kind of tight. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got her. Okay, so that's cute. Okay, it definitely goes farther than I thought. I thought it was a cropped, but it's just like a regular jean jacket. You could put anything under it. I actually bought a few things that I would probably pair it with. Let me see. So something like this. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm looking for the string. Got it. Oh man. Okay. So this is a crepe one shoulder thong bodysuit. And I do like the thonged kind of bottoms just because they look good with jeans and it doesn't have like a line. So that's what I prefer. So it's like one shoulder. It looks like it will fit me. So I got a new pair of jeans. I probably shouldn't be ripping these like this. So this is a light wash. Okay, frayed bottoms. This is the front. Oh, she holy. She real holy. So it looks like this. All the way. Like that. It looks like it's gonna be like a high-waister because that is small. So it's supposed to be mom jean. But yeah, I could see that. They're a little bit more bigger in the thigh. So I'll definitely have to try those on to explain. But it would look really cute with this one-shouldered top. Like this. I don't know. Just an idea. So the next thing is another top. It's a tie-back crop blouse in like a burgundy. It's showing up red in the camera, but it's like a burgundy. All right. Ooh, this material is kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about this one, y'all. So basically, it's like this, like this. So you put it on forward, like so. Oh no, I think this might be not good. And then you tie it in the back. Oh, I don't know. I don't like the way this one feels. Not impressed. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh man, I forgot I got this. It's a little barrette. Aw, this little hairpiece. And I thought it would go really cute with that nude bodysuit. If I can open it, that'd be swell. Okay, so this is the barrette. Oh, okay. She cute, she cute. Oh, I love it. 10 out of 10, approved. Okay, so I'm really excited about this shirt. If it doesn't look cute, I'm gonna be upset because it was actually paired with these jeans online. This is a size small as well. Oh, wow, okay. This is really big. This is really big. Okay. This is big, but the material is so soft. It feels like satin. Okay. But yeah, I will definitely have to post a picture because it looks a lot cuter online, but basically this is not buttoned here. She has it kind of open, shoulder, and she has it tucked in the pair of jeans. Like so. It would also look good with dark jeans and jeans without holes and some nice dress pants, but definitely going to be wearing them with heels, nude heels for sure. But yeah, it's so soft. I think it's going to be big on me though, but I'll definitely be tucking it in or tying it or something like that. Next thing, oh, I know what these are. These are, let's see if I'm right before I talk too much. Okay. What are these? Oh, these are some s'more joggers. They look kind of small. The bottoms are not how I thought they would be. It's almost straight leg, but I know it's going to be fitted, so I'm not too sure. I got this into the casual wear, so maybe something I'd wear at home. But what I am noticing is that the material is see-through. Like, can you see the background there? Yeah, so like I wouldn't work out in these or do squats in them or bend over. I don't know. I guess it just depends what you're wearing with it, but I was gonna wear it with a crop top, like a black crop top. So I don't know. These are definitely high-waisted because again, my waist is not this small. So keep that in mind. These are small. The next thing I got, which may or may not be the last piece that I got. So small. I can't believe that everything fit in that one big bag, you know? Like, I got 15 things. Okay. Oh, this is something very interesting. It's not me particularly. It's something a little different. So you're like, oh, this is a dress. It looks like kind of a dress, but it's not. It's like biker shorts, but in a romper style. It looks pretty see-through. Again, definitely gonna have to find a bra that will work with this, which will be hard because it's very V-neck. So I'm very nervous about this. But you could also wear them with like little high socks and Air Force Ones, which was what my idea is. You could really dress it up You could even put a belt around your waist. You could wear booties. You could wear flats. You could wear it to the beach. There's a lot to do with this, but I'm scared. I am very scared. Like, this thigh right here is very, very small. Maybe I should have got a bigger size. Yeah, and it's not very, very stretchy. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So the next item is this. And on here, yep, it says white square neck sleeveless thong bodysuit. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my god, it feels so nice. It feels so good. It feels like satin again. So this is an interesting one. It looks like you could get away with not wearing a bra, but you might not. It is a square neck bodysuit, which would look really good in the jeans again. You could wear it in a skirt. You could wear it in a leather skirt. And yes, again, it is a thong bottom, so you can save the panty line issue, all that good stuff. It's okay. Their sizing seems to be a little weird because this is a small, but the other stuff I got was like tiny, so I'm kind of nervous about that. Last but not least, for my fall haul, I'm so excited for these. Okay, here we go. Oh, it comes in little baggies. Excuse me, sir. These. It's like another take on those really popular shoes that everybody was wearing that are white and black with like the snake skin, but this has a really cute heel. It's like super chunky. It goes from skinny to bigger. And the toe isn't like extremely pointy. It's like the perfect amount. So, but yeah, to get these shoes for half off, I think I paid like $20 for these shoes. Like, I am shook right now. Very, very shook. So, oh, I'm obsessed with them. Okay, I think that's pretty much everything. I feel like I'm missing a few pieces. Like, I feel like I ordered a lot more things. So yeah, I'm back. I went, it's nowhere to be found. I'm upset. It's fine. But the next stage of my pretty little thing haul or unboxing is my Halloween outfit. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so just okay. So I've been like looking at this, like not being able to open it. I'm just like, please fit me, please fit me. But I still have some time in case it doesn't. The very first thing, I got a very small box, and look at these. They are fishnet. Legitimately feels like fishnet socks with a stiletto heel and pointed toe. And if you look carefully, you can see the actual plastic part that holds your foot, and it has a sling back here. In case you're wondering, like, how is that gonna stay on my foot? But yeah. But the only thing that concerns me is, like, once these are dirty, they're dirty and you're very upsetting. But very cute for Halloween. Definitely something I don't usually buy, but it's exciting to buy because it's for Halloween. So the next thing that I got is a two-piece set, but you have to buy it separately. Which also I got a really good deal. Oh, okay. I got the top in a 0 and I got the bottom in a 2. I just wanted the top to fit because this is it. It goes around the neck, but it also has clasps. And it has blood dripping down with like a metallic-y material. And the back is like this. It's all open. I didn't know that. It's all open. It's like a halter top is what I'm going for. The material, if I could describe it to you, is a pair of leggings at Rue 21. I could tell it's gonna fit tight. It might look good. It might look right. So that is the goal. Tight is right. Okay. Not all the time, but most of the time. The bottoms, mini skirt, just a cute little mini skirt, same material. It doesn't look like it's gonna fit me, but it does seem like it will stretch. I'm very terrified right now. Yeah, it's very stretchy, so it's just gonna be tight, and it's gonna be tight, it's gonna be right, so that's it. And then last but not least, my very cute stickers for my face. This is actually from the Gypsy Shrine. I've seen their stuff all on Instagram. They do a lot of stuff for festivals and everything. So yeah, you put it under your eyes and this blood dripping, and it is literally glitter. It's so cute. I got this for $8. So basically, I'm going to just insert everything in this video because this is my first ever haul. So I really probably missed a couple of steps that y'all want to know. Obsessed with this clip, okay. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's not cringe. I hope it's not weird. I just wanted to share what I got. All the things that I buy are pretty much safe. They're pretty much basics. They're pretty much things that I can mix and match and dress up or dress down. And I don't buy anything like super colorful or crazy, so I went with neutrals this fall, including even my pants, everything else. The only thing crazy I really got was a striped shirt, which I'm nervous about, but I just want to give you my true opinion about everything. I pretty much liked everything except a couple, like this burgundy one. I might be sending her back. So, but yeah, thanks again. Tucker says bye. He says bye. And thanks for watching, guys.